Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Crystal. This is my not very well managed channel, Color Your Day. So welcome. Today I just want to quickly pop up to show you the dividers I made for my Gillio Lava Red Croco A6. I'm pretty proud of it. It's not a full setup. I just received this piece not too long ago. I just put some random papers inside to show you basically what it looks like with my DIY dividers. Okay, so first of all, let's just take a second to appreciate this lava red. It's so beautiful. Usually I'm not a red/pink girl, but this one is so pretty. This is a very nice piece with the pattern that I prefer, which is mostly big scales on the cover and only the small scales on the spine and the closure. Usually I don't care too much about the closure. It can be big or small scales. There you go. Let's open it up. Like I said, I'm not going to go in details for like the product review or a full setup. I just want to show you my dividers. So this first one I made out of 2 project cards. So I just put them together and then laminate all 3 sides of it, and then use a circle punch to punch this like little opening, use as a pocket. So I have like a washi tape cards inside there. That's just some sticky notes, like a watercolor kind of a design. You open it up, you see those are the Project Life cards, like the sample. So they don't have patterns in the back. I think they're perfect for the pockets like this. That's the fly leaf from the Gillio itself. I just had like random red pen in there. So that's my Chinese writing. Don't mind that. Just some random paper. These are my dividers. So here, I use the Stamperia scrapbooking paper, and then usually they come with a page with like 6, almost 4x6 cards. Those are double-sided. I basically just cut them to size and then laminate them. Just that easy. I have those Daiso Japan, like very cheap, not so sticky tabs. So I just cut the part that is supposed to be sticky but never really stick to anything, and then put a little bit glue on the edge, then laminate them. So see, the 5 tabs are perfect for the height. The 6 cards, I kind of just leave it be as a cover. And that's the first page, just random paper. And that's the second one, which is the first one with a tab. The back looks like this. There's just some random notes of mine. The third one looks like that. And the fourth one, which is a middle tab, looks like this. Super duper cute. Sorry about the glare, because I have a skylight like right on top of this camera. So I have to hold it in angle. This is the 5th one, which is the 4th one with tab. Super cute birdie, and I like this picket fence. And then, oh, this one is just a random scrap pieces. I kind of just like cut it into this shape and then snip it. So I can use this like a today ruler, that kind of thing. Because when you close this circle sticks out. You can find your page just like that. It's single-sided, so at the back it's just white. I can put some stickies over there or decoration. This is the last page, I believe. And then that's the back of it. Very nice, huh? It's super easy. Oh, this is my first attempt. I didn't adjust my 6-hole punch well. Besides, I don't have a good punch. The measurement doesn't work on the hole punch itself. So that was the mistakes I made. So I fold it over and send it through laminator. Then use a knife to cut through this line and makes a little pocket that I can slip something in there. So that's it. That's the main thing I wanted to show you. So all these other things, if you're interested, I'll do a full setup video later on. So yeah, oh there. I paired it up with a Visconti Rembrandt. I love this fountain pen. Okay, it's very pretty. So yeah. That's it. My DIY dividers for my new Gillio A6 Lava Red Croco. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.